So I got up nice and early this morning, had breakfast alone and just decided to come for a little walk. I'm going to walk the full length of the beach today. It's very quiet in the morning, they're just getting their deck chairs all set out. This is where we sat the other day, right next to the pedalows. It's absolutely gorgeous weather already, 21 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning. All of the shops are shut. €8 for the bed, which is worth it because I think it's 8 till 8. There are toilet blocks all along the beach. Here's a lifeguard station as well. And then that's where the lifeguards sit. You can see there's a big inflatable on the water in the distance too. People cleaning the beach in the morning, so the beach is always spotless. I imagine after the night before with kids drinking, bringing bottles and things. Ticket places along the seafront for going on the boats, going to Lloret de Mar and Blaines. What's this one? Oh, the dolphin one. What time? Doesn't have any prices on there though. Location hotel. Hotel Miramar and Hotel Marcel. Right on the seafront, literally across the road. Perfect locations. Lots of people out getting their runs in. Don't know what that building is there, but it's nice, really nice. Look at the old bells on the top. Oh, there's another one there, Hotel Metropole. So they're all very good locations there. Just some information about the beach. Absolutely beautiful. Someone's already in the sea over there. Another hotel there, Hotel Excelsior. Another hotel there, this thin building, Hotel Maver. There's the inflatable. I'm not sure how much it is or even where you book it. Or if it's free, I don't really know. I suppose anybody could really swim out to it and go on it. I'll have a look a bit further down. There's a beautiful castle there, but I'm not sure how you get to it. I'll see if you can. There you've got a Hotel Rosamar Martin. No, actually Maritime. And then further back, Hotel Rosamar Spa. Lovely play park at this end of the beach. Really big one. Great way to start the day. I think it looks like a bit of samba. That's at the bottom end, not the castle end. So we've been at the beach all day. It's been absolutely stunning, boiling hot. We've come back to the pool, brought Emily's little friend with her. It's beautiful today. I feel a little bit burnt. Didn't have a great evening last night. Unfortunately, Harvey and Scott went out got very drunk. Harvey thinks that he was spiked and then he was robbed. They stole his phone, so they've had to go to the police today to deal with that, which is just so sad. It's the end of our holiday. I can't believe it. I'm really saddened by it all, really.
So these are the washing facilities at the Hotel Samba. You don't need any washing powder. You just get a token from reception. That's €6 each. One for the washing, one for the drying. Yeah, and it's just near the pool, so it's easy access. Really easy. These are a few of the desserts tonight.
The desserts counter. It's been a busy one tonight. Over there we've got roast beef and salmon that's all freshly cooked for you. Pizza again. Fresh fruits. Over here we've got pastas and chips. Then we've got seafood pasta, pulled pork croissants, like a paella, lamb stew, organic wok, salad bar, and some live music. Lovely evening. Well, what a day it's been. Obviously having all of that with Harvey was a bit of a nightmare. But yeah, I feel good. We're all packed. A little tip is I always do the washing before I go home, so then I know that I literally can unpack the suitcase. Most of the stuff's holiday clothes, so it'll stay in the suitcase, and the rest of it will just go straight back into the drawers at home. It really does save all that hassle of getting home and unpacking, and I'm back in work on Tuesday, so I wanted to make sure it was done. I had a great day, other than this awful tan that I've got lines where the sun hasn't hit my neck, because I must have been looking down like this when the sun was out. But it was a really lovely day, really hot. Tomorrow we go home, and I'll make sure that I will record our last bits and pieces that we do here. If you have watched all week, it would be lovely if you could subscribe. It would really help me. I've never asked that before, but yeah, go for it. Thank you.